Okay, so whenever you're ready.
All right, so once again, I changed the steps. I think somebody mentioned in the one video I probably would get tired of putting the steps together, and they were right. After, I think it's been a year. I'm not sure if it's been a year, maybe a little over, but I did change some things. So now, instead of having the deck slide in and out, I just made it so that it's able to fold down. So I just unlatch it here like I always have. This holds this deck in place up here. So I made hinges. Actually, these hinges were off an old set of ramps for putting like a UTV or something up on a trailer. So all I did was cut them to the position and angles to what I needed, so that now the deck just comes down, and then I lift this up and it locks right into place with this lever. So, and then I just have the one rail that I got to put in here. So I just put this in there, and then I tighten this up. So I don't need it to go all the way to the bottom because of how I did the hinges. And then this will just come out. I've ordered 2 more set of stairs for this so that it sits more level. But and then when we come up here, she's solid. Stairs and everything are good. I don't need it to go all the way to the ground. Makes it easy, quick setup. Then I don't have just a half stair coming out when we're just do a quick in and out. Yeah, it really come out good, I think. I got all the brackets and everything welded on. Just changed this here a little bit. So I got a little bit to do as far as latching this to make it a little easier to be latched. Yeah, but other than that, I'm very, very happy with it.
And you still use the same railing?
Yep, still use the same railing. So what happens is the railing just slides into place.
Beautiful.
And it's just as sturdy. I mean, if you throw somebody out of the door, this ain't gonna hold them, but it will definitely do what we need it to do. So yeah, there you have it. The new swing down deck.
And the stairs still swivel.
Yep. So now I ordered 2 more steps of these because I don't want to have to carry this anymore. Just the less I have to carry and the less I have to attach and put together, just makes life so much easier for us. So yeah, this is another DIY. Something I've been thinking about since I found these hinges on how I could make them work and hold the capacity, same capacity as a UTV, which was like 1,000 pounds, and neither one of us are 1,000 pounds. So yeah. So just want to say thanks everybody for your support and watching our videos. We do enjoy it for documentation for us. We can always go back and look back when we're old, sitting in our easy chairs, not being able to do this anymore. It'd be nice to go back, kind of reminisce. But thanks for the support. God bless, and have a great day.